Hi guys, we're looking for pumpkin. We just look up in here. Ngayon ang pumpkin guys. Here is look at this guys. Have a lot of pumpkin in here. So big. This pumpkin. Wow. A lot of pumpkin. Look at this pumpkin. Pumpkin. 2 for $10. Look at this guys. There he is guys. So the view here guys is the mountain. Okay, that's it for now guys. Bye.